Jason's Academy, Social Science.
Hello students, today we are going to start History Lesson 4, Early Man, Farmers and Herders. In the earlier chapter you have learned about the early man as hunter and food gatherer. In this chapter you will learn about the settled life of early man. By the end of Stone Age, people started using copper tools.
So, the first topic is Neolithic Age. The Neolithic Age started in India around 7000 BC. It was the third and last part of the Stone Age. The other two parts were Paleolithic Age and Mesolithic Age. The Neolithic Age is mainly categorized by the development of settled agriculture and the use of tools and weapons made of polished stones. The Neolithic Age saw the man turning into food producer from food gatherer. It also witnessed the use of pottery for the first time. People used microlithic blades in addition to tools made of polished stone. Agriculture. The people of Neolithic Age cultivated ragi, horse gram, cotton, rice, wheat and barley, and hence were termed as food producers. They domesticated cattle, sheep and goats. Pottery first appeared in this age and included grey ware, black burnished ware and matte impressed ware. With the advent of agriculture, people were required to store their food grains as well as to do cooking, arrange for drinking water and eating the finished product. That's why pottery first appeared in the Neolithic Age. One of the remarkable achievements of the Neolithic period was the invention of wheel. The wheel was used in horse carts and bullock carts that helped men a lot to carry heavy loads. Therefore, in this period, transport became quite easy and quick. The wheel was also used for spinning and weaving. With the dawn of the Neolithic Age, farming became stabilized across Europe and people turned their back on aquatic resources, a food source more typical of the earlier Mesolithic period, instead preferring to eat meat and dairy products from domesticated animals. People stopped eating raw meat. Instead of it, they started cooking it in earthen pots. Stone Age people, as the first humans, were the first clothing and shoemakers. In warmer climates, they made their clothes out of linen since it was cool and lightweight. But in colder climate and during the ice ages, they made their clothes out of leather. Wool was used in later agricultural societies as well. Considerable progress was made in Neolithic Age in terms of technology. The people developed the practices of cultivation, domestication of animals, building houses, pottery, weaving and writing. This revolutionized man's life and paved the way for the beginning of civilization. Our second point is Chalcolithic Age. The Neolithic Age was succeeded by the Chalcolithic Age, which saw the use of copper, the first metal to be used at the end of the Neolithic Age. Next topic is Chalcolithic Age. The first metal use of India is called Chalcolithic Age, which saw the use of copper along with stone. It was also called Stone Copper Age. Along with the use of copper and stone, these people also used low-grade bronze to make tools and weapons. There are several settlements. Some are pre-Harappan or early Harappan, and some are Harappan and post-Harappan. The Chalcolithic culture mainly had farming communities and they existed between 2000 BC and 700 BC. In India, it was mainly found in southeastern Rajasthan, western part of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra and in south and east India. People of Chalcolithic age survived on hunting, fishing and farming. Hunting was one of the important occupations. Animals such as sheep, buffalo, goat, cattle and pig were reared and killed for food. Remains of camels are also found. People ate beef, but no traces of eating pork are found. Cotton was produced in black cotton soil. Traces of rice cultivation are also found. This shows that their food included fish and rice. Eastern India produced rice and Western India produced barley. Metals such as copper and its alloy were used to make knives, axes, fishing hooks, chisels, pins and rods. The walls of houses were made from mud and plastered with cow dung and lime. In Inemagon, ovens and circular pits houses are found. Chalcolithic area expanded throughout the country except for alluvial region and thick forest. People were settled mostly near hills and rivers. People used megalithic tools of stone and copper. They knew the art of smelting. Chalcolithic people were colonizers. Then they grew wheat, barley, lentils and rice. Fish and rice were the important food.
So students, we have completed this chapter. Through this chapter, we came to know that man's life saw a drastic change from the primitive age. He was moving towards civilization. He started living a settled life and became skillful. His life became easy and comfortable. Thank you.